Good job. Nice work, kitties. Yay, that's amazing.
Oh, goodness.
That's your kitty? Oh, he's so soft. Gentle hugs. Good job, buddy.
Who did this?
No, sir! We do not climb the table. That's a rule. And no scratching couch, okay? That is naughty. Don't give me that look. Mama says, no, sir. You listen to me. You can't climb the table. It's danger. You understand? No talking back. Feet stay on floor. Feet on floor. Or no snap.
Good job.
Down. They're down yet. Whoa, roll over.
They're doing it.
Yay. Sit up. No, puppy, that's my car. You don't touch it, okay? No Howling either. That puppy, mine. I'm serious. Baby, don't. Oh, there it goes. Go straight back at you. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, direct hit. Now you're both ghosts.
All right, flower fight over.